Elegoo is officially crazy. They're doing something that even I wasn't expecting, which is releasing their new multicolor upgrade kit for the original Elegoo Centauri Carbon for $55. I was well expecting that to be like $100, $150 for this upgrade kit that is going to allow you to print with up to 4 different colors or multi-materials with your original Elegoo Centauri Carbon. But there are a few caveats that I want to explain before you jump in and pre-order this upgrade kit. Now, unlike most of my Elegoo videos, this video is not being sponsored because it's not a full-on look at the new canvas system for the original Elegoo Centauri, because that brings me into the very first call out that I want you to be aware of is if you have one of the original Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D printers like I do. I have 2 of these, one an early pre-production unit that's still running amazing, and then the other that I purchased myself during the initial launch. They do not have the ports on the back of those 3D printers that are going to be a requirement for you to use with this multicolor canvas system. All right, scratch everything I was just about to say. I just realized that this upgrade kit actually has an adapter that they've included for the original buyers of the Centauri Carbon 1 that do not have the port in the back for the canvas system or the multicolor system. There is a plug that they've included that you can plug in to the underside of the printer. That's an extension cable that will allow you to connect this to the canvas system. So in fact, I will be able to put out a video much sooner than I was anticipating. I don't need a whole new canvas, or excuse me, Centauri Carbon in order to work with this. So this should work with everyone that has purchased a Centauri Carbon 1, regardless if it was the day order buyers or if it was somebody that just bought one a month ago. You'll be able to upgrade it with this kit and have 4 color multicolor printing. This $55 kit will include everything, including the canvas system, plus all of the other parts that you're going to need to upgrade your original Elegoo Centauri Carbon to run with 4 different colors in one print job. Some of the things that you're going to be looking at upgrading with this kit includes the hot end. There are a good number of parts that are going to be involved with upgrading that to be able to support with printing with multi-colors. You're also going to be looking at the actual spool holders that are going to be upgraded and added to the side of the printer along with mounting the canvas system. You'll also be updating the poop chute that's installed on the back of the printer. Now, one thing that is not included with this upgrade kit is a top hat for your printer. So this means one downside of this as it stands right now with this canvas kit upgrade is you're going to be limited in the materials that you're going to be printing with. So because there is no top cover anymore once you install this kit, it's really going to be only compatible with things like PLA, PETG, and TPU. Printing with ASA, ABS, any really temperature enclosed materials are going to require you to either remove that or build some kind of a top hat system, or I still don't know if Elegoo is going to be releasing some other top hat system for the original Centauri kit upgrade. But at $55, this is an absolutely insane deal that they've added finally for the Centauri Carbon that I know a ton of you have been requesting and pleading for, and more information. I know I've been begging Elegoo for more information on this for months on end, and it's finally here and available for pre-order. One big upside to this, that even if you don't print with multi-colors, which is gonna still produce a whole lot of purge material, this isn't a multi-tool head system, so it's still gonna produce a lot of poop with these multicolor 3D prints. But one amazing thing that I'm really enjoying with the CC2 is just the ability to continuously print with the same spool of filament. So as soon as one runs out, it'll switch over to the next spool and continue your print job. So this is a great way to eat up a whole bunch of your existing partial rolls of filament, or if you just have a really large print job and you don't want to run out of filament midway through the print. Obviously, I'll have affiliate links down below where you could find this for yourself if you're interested in picking one up. It helps support the channel here. I also want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters for your continued support, me making videos just like the one that you're seeing here. If you're interested in more information about my Patreon, you'll find links to that down below. But again, this is available now at $55. This is just kind of breaking my mind. I was totally expecting this to be $100, $150. So coming in at $55 is just an insane deal for this upgrade kit, and hopefully, fingers crossed, works well. And I'm assuming you'll see some other content creators here over the next handful of days or weeks putting out some videos on this as well. So make sure to check them out when they have their videos posted. But you'll definitely see an update from me here as soon as I have this up and running, and some prints with this up and going here. Hey, thanks so much for watching, all. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.